Can you show me your new slippers? Come here. Oh, you're so good. Want this? It's your dad.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold one.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
So my cat loves to do this thing. I'm gonna show you. Come here. What you told me, John?
Oh, good morning. Where are you?
Oh, are you grumpy, Bo Bantam, in the Wednesday morning in the woods?
Why are you smiling like that?
Owning a German Shepherd puppy.
Say anything.
On God, I'm not gonna hit you. On God, I'm
You're
not
not
gonna
gonna
hit
touch me.
you. On God, I'm not gonna hit you.
You're not gonna touch me.
Nope.
You're gonna go home.
On God.
On God.
On God.
Let go.
I don't believe in God.
I mean, get off my man. Damn. Girl, get off my man.
So dogs apparently don't like this sound. His face.
Hello. 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 Hello.
This bird will not stop barking.
No, don't do this, Pickle. Pickle, no. No. No, because, come on, look, you're trapping your head. No. I have to go to school. I'm sorry. No, I have to go to school.